Somebody has said it right. Mountains have a different charm in winters. Everything is covered with the snow. People say it's risky, but this is the perfect time to get out and see what nature has to offer. And the bus from Delhi takes absolutely no time to reach Parvati Valley. But it's winter time, means road blockages. After walking around 12 kilometers on snow-covered roads and hitchhiking 5 kilometers on a pickup truck, I reached my destination, Shilha Village. Shilha Village, a small village in the arms of Parvati Valley. Just like a small kid, after seeing so much of snow, I dipped into it and played like a 10-year-old boy. I have never witnessed snowfall in my life, but I have witnessed something equally magical. हैं? फिर?
मैंने भी देख रहा वो वाला।
क्या देखेगा?
हाय, मेरा नाम पंकज। हाय, मेरा नाम पंकज। हाय, मेरा नाम पंकज।